a video on making a prawn mousse or a fish mousse. It's pretty straightforward. These are frozen prawns. I've squeezed the excess juice out of them. They come with a water glaze on them. So you need to drain that juice out of them and then squeeze the excess juice as well, so they can become quite dry. There is 250 grams worth of prawns or fish. We've got one egg, and then we're going to put in, to start off with, we're going to put in 150 millilitres of cream, of double cream. We might put a little bit more in. I'm using a whole egg, the white and the yolk. I've seen different recipes and I've made it differently over years. Some people just use the whites of an egg, some people use whole eggs. But because we're using a whole egg, white and yolk, we're going to put a little bit less cream in. So we'll blitz that up first and then we'll add some cream. But I need to measure some cream out. So we'll be back in a bit. So this is a bit awkward. Let's just put this in. It's nice and thick, isn't it? And that bit in as well. So, pure it up and we'll see how we go. Let's put some salt in and a bit of pepper. That pan lid's going to start dancing, so a bit difficult to can't see this. Season this. Of course, you really should use white pepper so you can't see the pepper in the finished product. But not to worry. And then that much salt. Good pinching a bit. Don't forget we're seasoning the fish, the egg, and the cream. So. I'm gonna trust myself on the seasoning. If you want to work out how if something's like a fish mousse, how it's seasoned, what you do is you make fish mousse, add some salt, fry a little bit of that fish mousse, and then taste it when it's cooked, and you'll be able to check the seasoning. If it needs a little bit more salt, you'll be able to add a little bit more salt. But I trust myself. So there we go. Easy peasy. Prawn mousse or fish mousse.